Ready to elevate your style in under a minute? Let's dive into 5 quick tips to transform your look with ease. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Start with a neutral base and add one standout accessory. Think bold jewelry, a patterned scarf, or a stylish belt to make your outfit pop. Tip 2. Fit is everything. A tailored fit makes any outfit look polished. Remember, it doesn't have to be expensive, just a small adjustment can go a long way. Tip 3. Layer wisely. Add depth without the bulk. Try a slim jacket over a lightweight sweater for that effortlessly layered look. Tip 4. Add a pop of color. Choose one item, like shoes, a bag, or even bold lipstick, to brighten up a neutral outfit instantly. And tip 5. Confidence is key. The best accessory? Your confidence. Wear it proudly, and you'll turn heads wherever you go. Remember, great style is simple and personal. Follow us for more tips, and let's make every day a runway.